Hello guys, so today is I think 11th of June and I'm gonna vlog my tomorrow's day and also today's थोड़ा बहुत आज मैं एक शूट कर रही थी ये वाला वीडियो लुक ये वाला मेकअप लुक as you can see. So now I have to remove this, and also tomorrow it's a shooting day. Tomorrow it's gonna be a quite hectic day as always, and I'm 6 months pregnant right now. It's I think 23 weeks or 22nd week if I'm not wrong. I have that app called Milo. It's a pregnancy app, so it will track your entire pregnancy journey, like how is your baby growing and like कौन सा fruit का size का है baby, and it's so amazing guys. And to be honest with you guys, right now I'm just feeling some baby movement, so just super overwhelming, and I really feel super excited to meet my baby, of course. And other than that, that's the update. So I'll vlog tomorrow maybe bits and थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर का. And yeah, so let's quickly remove this makeup. I'm gonna have some tea right now because I'm craving some tea and some snacks, of course. I'm not that hungry actually, but I'm craving some tea this time. So yeah, so I'm gonna make some tea and also so मिलते हैं थोड़ा देर के बाद. Hello guys, so today is 18th of June and I'm shooting today, so it's a shooting day today. And today I'm not that tired of last day. And what was the update? So basically मैं थोड़ा बहुत बीच बात में शूटिंग वगैरह ले रही हूँ ताकि मेरा बॉडी एकदम ही से ना बैठ जाए. And I feel relaxed mentally and physically also, because I feel like घर पे बैठे बैठे मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा बोर हो जाती हूँ because I'm a working woman guys. And उतना ज़्यादा मेरे को ऐसे मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा एंग्जाइटी होता है, कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम होता है लाइक काम नहीं करूँ तो बीच बाच में एक दो काम मैं कर रही हूँ, लाइक वेरी रेयर एक दो काम जो मुझे अच्छे लग रहे हो वैसा टाइप में. Otherwise mostly I'm resting because of my pregnancy and I'm just taking a rest. घर पे ही घर का खाना I'm having घर का दाल चावल लाइक बेसिक खाना, and बाहर का मैं थोड़ा बहुत खाती हूँ जब मैं शूटिंग में आती हूँ. So today I'm having some burger, and today also I'm craving some chicken wings, so I'm having that. And I had banana, of course, because I was craving banana. And the funny part guys, actually I was craving some spinach this time, and this season spinach is really difficult to find anywhere. like Blinkit वगैरह में मिल जाते हैं, बट मैं यहाँ पे रहती हूँ वहाँ पे Blinkit का कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, like Blinkit, Big Basket and stuff like that. So I had to order it abhi. So I had ordered spinach and avocado and blueberries and of course mushroom. So I'm gonna make my pregnancy craving food maybe tonight because आज मेरा शूट जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगा. So I'm gonna make my pregnancy craving thing, like pregnancy craving food which I'm craving for like past few weeks, like 3 or 4 weeks, and I couldn't find my spinach, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna make that. So I saw Alana Pandey's video on YouTube, and she is also pregnant, and I saw one video that she's making some spinach and mushroom recipe with one roti, and I was instantly craving for that, and it feels like super tasty and amazing. So I'm gonna have that tonight as a dinner. And other than that, let me just put some lip gloss because I'm feeling a little dry. And yeah, that's the update, and I'm gonna show you a bits of BTS's shooting ka. And other than that, I just did a braid today because I was not feeling like opening my hair or doing a ponytail. It's just super comfortable to lie on like this, and you can sleep. not in the shoot but in the car, and you will feel more comfortable. And of course I'm wearing this outfit. It's from Jisora and it's super comfortable, you guys. It's pure cotton, pure muslin, and it's super comfortable. You will feel like you are wearing a night dress, so that's why I'm wearing this today. And yeah, I'll see you. If you guys wondering what lip gloss I'm wearing this very juicy lip gloss by Rode Cosmetics, and it is one of my favorite lip glosses, guys. Just look at this. I just put a little bit and it's just amazing. Hello guys, so I have reached home. So right now I'm gonna make the dish, my craving dish. So for that you just need some basic stuff. So you just need some spinach. I know guys, spinach का हालत बहुत ही नाजुक and बहुत ही ख़राब है, but this is what I can maximum get because बहुत ही महंगा है and बिल्कुल भी मतलब अवेलेबल नहीं था मार्केट में, एटलीस्ट बैंडल में तो नहीं था. So I have to order it from Blinkit. मैं आज काम पे गई थी, वहीं से मंगाई. एंड सम मशरूम, बटर एंड चीज़ एंड रोटी ऑल्सो. सो आई हैव सम रोटी. दिस इज़ सुबह का सम लेफ्ट ओवर रोटी. सम मेक दिस स्पिनच रोल काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन. तो सो दिस इज़ व्हाट माय वेजिटेबल्स लुक्स लाइक. स्पिनच, सम ऑनियन शायद उसमें नहीं डाला हुआ था जो रेसिपी मैंने देखा था, बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू have some onions, so that's why that, and some mushroom. So let's begin with the process. So first you just have to saute your vegetables. So I'm gonna put some butter in it, and then I'm just using some like black pepper and salt to saute. This is how it's look like. मैंने थोड़ा बटर ग्लेज कर दिया है, हमने चीज़ डाल दिया है, so that the cheese will melt. This is how it's look inside. ऐसा चीज़ बनाने में guys, hello guys, couldn't bear the heat. लाइक गाइज जेन्युइनली प्रेगनेंसी में इतना ज़्यादा गर्मी लगता है ना, लाइक अननेसेसरी. लाइक एक नॉर्मल इंसान को जितना गर्मी लगता है ना, आई थिंक उससे 2 गुना ज़्यादा गर्मी आपको लगता है. कमेंट डाउन बिलो अगर मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ तो. अभी भी मैं हाफ लड़ रही हूँ एक डिश बनाने के चलते हैं. एंड सी दिस इज़ हाउ इट्स लुकिंग, सुपर डिलीशियस. सो लेट्स टेस्ट दिस टुगेदर. एंड कैसा ये बना है, आई हैव टू टेस्ट इट बिकॉज माई soul was craving this for like almost ever since I watched those videos, watched that video of Alana Pandey having this. And yeah guys, I don't know, मेरे को मतलब genuinely मेरे को नहीं पता था कि प्रेगनेंसी क्रेविंग इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. एंड जो तुम्हारे मन में हो रहा है, यू हैव टू हैव दैट नो मैटर वॉट. मेरे को इतना दिन से ऐसा टाइप का कुछ भी क्रेविंग नहीं हो रहा था, बट आई हैव क्रेव्ड एवोकाडो, ब्लूबेरीज and this spinach with the mushroom. So yeah, I mean guys, I'm not kidding, it's actually tastes good. That's the ugliest way to present the food. Oh my god, the food is delicious. Genuinely guys, the food was super tasty, I'm not gonna lie. Other than that, I'm gonna see you in my next vlog guys, because this vlog I'm gonna end it here. So bye, take care and see you. Love you.